Good morning, everybody. I'm about to start the iPhone XS Max repair that I was talking about yesterday. I'm taking the screen off of this iPhone XS Max that I got in a couple months back. Um, it was one that was found on Facebook. Had a customer bring it in, and it just kept on looping. So we're going to go ahead and take the screen that I put on there and put it onto my other iPhone XS Max so I don't waste the screen. So let's go. Okay, y'all. I just got done with the iPhone XS repair. It was a phone that came in the other day. I was going to do the XS Max right away. Got a little bit deterred with somebody walking in, but got the iPhone the XS done. I'm gonna put that on there too, just so you guys can see what exactly I did for the iPhone XS. Screen came in. Apparently never been dropped, but I also looked at it and saw that there was a OLED crack on there. So went ahead and replaced the screen. So we're good to go on this one. It's an iPhone XS. Turned out beautifully. Hopefully it stays that way. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start on the XS Max repair here in probably the next 10 minutes. All right, everybody, got the iPhone XS Max done finally. Had a few walk-ins while I was working on that, so if that takes a little longer, I'm sorry about that. But thank you, like, and subscribe.